so I can demonstrate comprehension of in the ebony room. So who can give me a synonym for demonstrate? Olivia?
Show.
Perfect. So we're going to start looking at structural elements of poetry today and strategies we can use to make sure we're understanding and comprehending what we're reading. So over here we have our I-poem chart. These are going to be terms used that make up poetry and how it's put together. You have the name of one of these apps. Okay, so raise your hand if you think you have the name of the app that goes along with one line of a poem. You think you have it, Alex? What is it?
Verse.
You got it. Bring it on up. So a verse is one line of a poem, and you'll notice I put one line on here to give us that visual to help us remember that. So what we're going to be doing is looking at each stanza and finding the focus of it. So when I say finding the focus, what do you think that means? Yes?
Finding the main idea.
Perfect. Okay, so a good strategy when we're looking at poetry is the first time we're going to read it all the way through to get an idea. Okay, and this one actually already gave us a little bit of an idea. But then we're really going to zoom in and focus on each stanza to figure out what's going on in each so we have a deeper understanding. So before we look at each together, I want you to go ahead and do one read through on your own. We're just going to write the focus. So summarize it in just a few words. Okay, so you can write what you want. I'm going to write a storm is coming and they are preparing. And where does it say that they're singing that?
Pupils wake up and sing, stop, rain, stop. We cannot play in the green grass. We cannot go home to our parents. Stop, rain, stop. Come back another day.
All right, awesome. So what are you going to write out to the side for the focus? Okay, so what we're going to do is play poetry popcorn. So in my popcorn bag, I have fake popcorn. Even better because it has comprehension questions in here. Which line in the poem first signals a change? Hold it up. There we go. So we had the most answers for B, but when the wind whistles. And we're going to review our I can statement for today, which said what? What did it say, Mia?
I can demonstrate comprehension of in the ebony room.